Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. Today I'm doing a LEGO review of LEGO City Fire set 60106 from 2016 to 2017. As you can see, this is a starter set and you get 4 minifigures in the set. Mechanic and 3 firefighters. The one firefighter is a scuba diver, and also you get this beautiful duck piece. And this is also beautiful to add to your LEGO City display. Thank you for watching this video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, and please leave a comment in the comment box below, and please share the links to my videos. If toy companies want to contact me for future sponsorships, my contact info is in a link in the description box below, and please share the links to my videos. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Bye.